Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming access. Make sure you have an active Apple Music subscription and that your Apple ID is signed in on the device you'll use. Next, connect both the TV or Apple TV and your iPhone or iPad to the same Wi-Fi network so they can see each other. Once done, install the Apple Music app on the TV if available, or enable AirPlay on the TV or Apple TV so you can stream directly from your phone. Now pick the streaming path that matches your gear. If the Apple Music app is on your smart TV or Apple TV, open it and sign in, then browse and play directly. Alternatively, open music on your iPhone, tap the AirPlay icon, and select your TV to cast audio. This mirrors control from your phone. Make sure to use Siri or the TV remote to skip tracks, adjust volume, and switch playlists. This ensures smooth control whether streaming natively or via AirPlay. To finish, fine-tune audio settings on the TV or Apple TV. Select the correct output and set volume levels so sound matches expectations. When you're done listening, stop playback from the music app or disconnect AirPlay with the same menu you used to connect. If you run into trouble, first restart both the TV and the phone. Confirm both are on the same Wi-Fi and that your Apple ID is signed in. This simple restart usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.